To perform dimensional analysis using multiple conversion factors, for example, converting 72.4 centimeters to feet, you will have to write the conversion factors in fractional form. So, 1 foot equals 12 inches can be written as 1 foot over 12 inches or 12 inches over 1 foot. The same thing for 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. You can write it as 1 inch over 2.54 centimeters or 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch. So, when you do the unit conversion, write the given number, which is 72.4 centimeters, and multiply it with the conversion factor with the unit at the denominator side matching the given unit. So 2.54 centimeters at the bottom and 1 inch at the top. Then multiply the next conversion factor, again with inches at the bottom. So 12 inches at the bottom and 1 foot at the top. Here, we can cancel centimeters and inches, leaving feet as the final unit. So this should be 72.4 centimeters times 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeters times 1 foot divided by 12 inches, giving us 2.38 feet.